In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete the Pillar of Community task using the Store Discovery Queue in Steam. If you've been exploring Steam, you might have come across the Pillar of Community tasks, which can seem a bit tricky at first glance. But worry not, I'm here to guide you through each step to make the process as smooth as possible, ensuring you gain your rewards without any hassle. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you're going to want to open up your Steam client. You can access it directly from your desktop if you have the application installed, or you can navigate to the Steam website using your preferred web browser. Once you've logged into your account, direct your attention to the top menu bar and look for the Store tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on that Store tab and prepare to engage with Steam's vast array of gaming options. Within the Store section, there's a feature called the Discovery Queue. It's a handy tool that Steam uses to introduce you to games you might not have previously considered, based on your gaming preferences and purchase history. To find it, scroll down a little, and you should see the Discovery Queue option right there. Go ahead and click on it. Upon entering, the Discovery Queue will present you with a selection of tailored game recommendations. Now, your task is simple: browse through this curated list. The importance of this step cannot be understated. It's crucial because simply clicking through your Discovery Queue is what contributes to completing that Pillar of Community task. As you browse, you'll notice options to either add to wishlist, follow, or ignore each game. However, for the purpose of completing the task, there's no need to engage deeply with these options unless something genuinely catches your interest. Just keep clicking next or its equivalent to continue through your queue. You'll want to go through the entire list presented to you. This usually involves viewing around 10 games, but it can vary. Once you've reached the end of your Discovery Queue, Steam will notify you with a confirmation. It should specify that you've completed your current queue. At this point, you've successfully contributed towards fulfilling your Pillar of Community tasks. It's as simple as that. Finally, a few pointers: regularly going through your Discovery Queue not only helps in completing tasks like this but also introduces you to games you may end up loving. It's a win-win situation, fulfilling Steam's community tasks while expanding your gaming horizons. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of being an active part of the Steam community. Happy gaming!